Yeah, so I'm Inspector Justyn Knight. My role here is I'm a Force Incident Manager within the Public Service Centre. My role mainly is to ensure that all our calls are answered on time and that resources are allocated to incidents. So I have responsibility over all the specialist departments, whether it be firearms, traffic, dog section, mounted section. I work closely with NPAS, the police helicopters, to make sure that we can provide a service to the communities of South Wales. So the Christmas period for us in the PSC provides some extra challenges. What changes for us is an increase of demand, so we see more calls coming in. You have a lot more people in our town centres, in our city centres, out shopping in the day, and of course people go out for their Christmas parties, so you'll see an increased police presence after dark, and providing sort of reassurance to the members of the public that the police are there to support them. And unfortunately this time of year we do seem to see a lot of people who are drink driving, and we respond to that by increasing our roads policing patrols so that we can deal with those people who make poor decisions around drink driving. And again, that's a reassurance to members of the public that they can go out and enjoy the festive period safely and go home to their families. So PSC, we work very closely with partner agencies. We are fortunate enough to share a control room with the fire service. If we have serious incidents, and hopefully we won't have any this Christmas, we set up joint control rooms with our colleagues in the health service, with our local authorities and obviously the fire service. But on a day-to-day basis, we're speaking regularly with our health service partners, the Ambulance Trust. We're speaking to local authorities, and they supply extra resources around after dark for the help centres, the help points in our big city centres of Cardiff and Swansea City Centre will have help points, and we work closely with them. Increased demand is always difficult to manage. I've got a fabulous room of police staff here who take the calls and allocate the officers. They're supported by Public Service Centre supervisors. And when we see an increased demand, particularly around Christmas time, we'll increase our staff members in the room so there's enough people taking the calls. My message to the public really at Christmas time is, most important thing is that for those who celebrate Christmas, to enjoy it with their families, and just know that we are here for them 24/7. They can contact us in a number of ways. Digital contact is always available. It's available on our website where you can fill in some forms, and the contact comes straight into us here at the Public Service Centre. You can also do live chat, so if you're out and about, you want to use your mobile device, you can use live chat. What that does, it frees up call takers for us. So as I've mentioned earlier, we do have increased demand at Christmas period. It is the same people taking the 101 calls that take the 999 calls. So by you contacting us through a digital format, it does allow us to keep those operators available for 101 calls, but in particular for those emergencies. Rest assured, we are here 24/7, all over the festive period. You'll be enjoying your Christmas turkey, we'll be in here taking your calls.